Hello everyone, the topic is circulatory system of cockroach. So already we are done with digestive system of cockroach, that is important 8 marks question in the IPE. Even circulatory system of cockroach also very important in the IPE for long answer question 8 marks. So here circulatory system of cockroach is open type of circulatory system, means the blood will flow into the sinuses, not in blood vessels. That spaces is called sinuses. Then what is the importance of circulatory system, means to transport the digested food and as well as hormones. So this is the importance regarding the circulatory system of cockroach. Then with the help of 3 parts we can study the total circulatory system. The parts are hemocoel, heart and blood. So first of all, hemocoel, seal means coelom, that is the space, that is the cavity. So with the help of cavity, the organs are placed in the organism. So here these total is sinuses. This is the coelom. This coelom is divided into 3 parts by the 2 membranes. These are the membranes 1 and 2. Dorsal diaphragm and ventral diaphragm. So here the 2 horizontal muscular membranes will separate the total sinuses into 3 parts. That parts are pericardial sinuses, perivisceral sinuses, perineural sinuses. So in the first sinuses the heart is located. Peri means around, cardiac means heart. Around the heart the sinuses is present, that is pericardial. Perivisceral, here visceral means here the gut, means alimentary canal. Peri, around. So around the alimentary gut, that space is called perivisceral sinuses. The last one, perineural sinuses. In this space, in this sinuses, nerve cord is present. So here the middle sinuses is larger than the 2. So the visceral, perivisceral sinus is larger than the pericardial and perineural sinuses. So here meanwhile total intention is the total sinuses divided by the 2 horizontal muscular membranes into 3 sinuses. In the pericardial sinuses heart located, perivisceral sinuses gut means alimentary canal located, and the last perineural sinuses having the nerve cord. So this is the total information regarding the hemocoel. Then here the ventral diaphragm is separated the visceral sinuses, neural sinuses. Dorsal diaphragm separate the pericardial sinuses, perivisceral sinuses. This may be MCQ. Then come to the heart. So heart is a 13-chambered heart. It is a long, muscular, contractile chamber. And it is located on the pericardial sinuses. And each individual chamber opens into the another chambers. In total 13, 3 in the thorax region, 10 in the abdomen region. Already we studied 3 segments in the thorax, 10 segments in abdomen, 6 in the head, right? So here total 3 plus 10, 13 chambers, but last chamber is blunt end. Means there is no opening, it is just like a close. So if we take in the each individual chambers, see here, for example, these are the first 3 chambers, thoracic chambers, 1, 2 and 3 chambers. So here the chamber is opening to the another chamber. This space, the open space is called astia. With the help of astia, the blood will enter into the chambers. That is the importance of astia. And one more here, we are having the valves. The first chamber end with the auricular valve and second chamber is start with the ventricular valve. What is the importance of valve means, like as tricuspid, bicuspid in human heart, here also valves to prevent the backflow. The blood will enter with the help of astia and also valves also present, auricular valve, ventricular valve. And also one more here, aliary muscles also present. in each chamber. What is the importance of aliary muscles? With the help of contraction and relaxation of the aliary muscles only, the blood will send into the ostia. Means with the help of ostia, the blood will enter into the each individual chambers. So this is the information regarding the heart. 13-chambered heart, aliary muscles helpful for the contraction and relaxation, and with the help of ostia, the blood will enter. The 13th chamber is blunt end. So that is heart. And next last one, blood. So blood is a colorless without respiratory pigment. So it don't have a respiratory pigment. That is why this is not a key role in the respiration. But it having the plasma and phagocyte, hemocytes. Phagocytic means to kill the microorganisms. And the blood function is to transport the digestive food as well as hormones. And very most important, the flow of blood is posterior-anterior, not anterior to posterior. The blood will flow from here to here, from posterior to anterior. That is why posterior-anterior. So that is the information regarding the blood. Then pathway. So here 13 chambers now, from posterior to anterior. From the thoracic to the blood will enter into the anterior aorta. Then to the head to head sinuses. Then we have a pericardial, perivisceral, perineural. So that is the pathway. Look here. So from heart to aorta, aorta to head sinuses to perivisceral and perineural. So here we have perivisceral and perineural. Then both combine to enter into the pericardial. In that cardial we have a heart. So this is the cyclic process. Heart to aorta, aorta to head sinuses, then perivisceral, perineural, then combinedly to enter into the pericardial sinuses, then heart. And the importance of aliary muscles. The aliary muscles contraction and relaxation, the blood will enter into the chambers. So this is the information regarding the circulatory system. You have to remember which sinuses having which type of organ and how many chambers in the heart, what contain blood and blood flow from posterior to anterior, and the pathway of the circulation system. So if you like the video, please subscribe and share. Thank you.